Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The High Court has asked for the State Election Commission that lawyers has sought time, saying that he will have to take instructions from the Election Commission and he has no instructions. And that is how the lawyer for the Election Commission will argue tomorrow morning and he will make submissions on the basis of the instructions.
एकाच तरेच्या इश्यूचेर वेगवेगळी भूमिका घेता म्हूण हायकोर्टान डीएमए संचालकाक उजरायलो. संबंधीत समाजाची थंयचे लोकवस्तींतली संख्या रिझर्वेशनाचो आधार जावंक शकना म्हूण सांगे पालिकेच्या इश्यूचेर जाप. थंय रोटेशन पॉलिसी लायल्या, जाल्यार मडगांवां रोटेशन पॉलिसी कडेक दवरल्या. एसटी समाजाची लोकसंख्या खूब म्हूण सांगून मडगांव पालिकेचे 4 आनी 7 वॉर्ड एसटीक रिजर्व केल्यात. हायकोर्टान ही गफलत सुनावणे वेळार सरकाराचे नजरेक हाडून दिली. रिझर्वेशनाच्या गोंधळावेल्यान 10 याचिका हायकोर्टात पावल्यात. बुधवाराय आर्ग्युमेंट चालू उरतले.
It is not complete. Tomorrow it is going to continue again and hopefully by tomorrow we will be able to finish the arguments. We have argued that the reservation that has happened, it is perfectly in accordance with law and there is no question of interference at this stage when the election is imminent, and then in the interest of the democracy the elections should be allowed to held, and then there is no question of any interference at this stage. The question that was put to me was that if a reservation in respect of one ward is set aside, then whether it is possible to go ahead with the elections. My argument was no. If you are interfering with one ward, it is going to have effect on the entire municipal council and therefore it will affect the entire election. So therefore the court should not interfere even in respect of one ward.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.